In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize invoices in SimplePractice. Customizing your invoices helps your practice look professional, keeps clients informed, and streamlines your billing workflow. We'll focus on two key areas that make the biggest difference: the wording of your service descriptions and how often invoices are generated. First, head to your settings. From there, navigate to Client Billing and Insurance, and then open Client Billing Documents. This is the hub for what appears on your invoices and how they're produced, so any changes you make here shape the experience for both you and your clients. Within this page, find the Service Description setting. Here, you get to decide how detailed your invoices should be. If you choose a generic label, your invoices will display a simple description, like Professional Services. This option is great when you want to keep client billing discreet and straightforward, which can be helpful for privacy or when clients only need a basic summary for their records. If you prefer more clarity, select the full appointment or service description. This can show the specific service name tied to the appointment, which is useful when clients require detailed documentation for their budgeting, employer reimbursement, or personal bookkeeping. Think about your clientele and their needs. For many practices, a generic label keeps things clean and private. For others, the full description reduces back and forth and supports transparency. Next, choose your invoice timing. You can have SimplePractice generate invoices daily, monthly, or handle them manually. Daily invoicing works well if you have a high appointment volume and want each date of service to be billed promptly. Monthly invoicing consolidates activity into a single statement, which many clients find easier to understand and pay, especially if they see you multiple times per month. Manual invoicing gives you the most control and is useful if your billing varies, if you invoice only after a certain milestone, or if you prefer to review charges before sending anything out. Consider your cash flow preferences and how often clients expect to receive a bill. Consistency is key, so choose the cadence that best matches your scheduling and payment conversations. That's all there is to it. By adjusting the service description and invoice timing in client billing documents, you'll create invoices that are clear, aligned with your policies, and easier for clients to act on. You can revisit these settings anytime as your practice evolves.